I'm about to give you guys a tour of my stay here in Florida. So I think I've talked to y'all about this. I don't know if I talked to y'all about this or not, but my parents have timeshare. They've invested in timeshare. Anyone can use their timeshare, and whenever you use their timeshare, it's basically like a home away from home type situation. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the property, and my parents, I don't even know if they are okay with me sharing like the property that they invested in. So I'm not gonna share all of that, but look into getting timeshare, you guys, because my parents invested in timeshare and it's passed down from generation to generation. So it's not something that, oh, when they die, like we don't get to utilize what they invested in while they were here. So whenever they started investing in this property, it was always meant that it would be passed down to me, my brothers, and then we can pass it down to our kids. So make sure you look into investing in timeshare, because when I show y'all this property, y'all gonna be like, what the hell? It's basically a duplex. It's not really a resort, but it is a resort, but it looks like a duplex. So I'm just gonna show you guys around. But if you are one of those people where you like traveling, hold on. If you're one of those people where you like traveling, you really don't like the whole Airbnb thing because it's a little weird, it's a little sketch, then maybe you should look into getting timeshare. And then also, what else? Oh, this is perfect for like family vacations. So we planned on having Thanksgiving dinner here in Florida. And so this is a 3-bedroom duplex, 2.5 bath. So let's go ahead and get into this tour. So I'm about to just show y'all the garage. Yes, it comes with a garage. I guess it's the water heater. I don't know. So that's the garage. Y'all, these stairs be killing me though. We're gonna go upstairs in a minute. I love the open concept. Y'all know, if any of y'all know me on a personal level, I love open concepts. When I get my house, it has to be open. So this is the kitchen. You got your dishwasher. You got your oven. You got your microwave. And then you also have your refrigerator. I'm just gonna open this refrigerator up for laughs and giggles. So, y'all know I had to get my wine. I had to. So we're doing the Livingstons today. And then my hollow top ice cream, my cauliflower crust pizza, my Diet Coke Zero. Don't judge me. Or wait, that's not Diet Coke. It's Coke Zero. That's not mine. But it also comes with a blender, you guys. You can also make toast if you want. I'm not sure what this is. Is it like how you make tea maybe? I don't know. I don't even know what that is. You have your knives. Mind you, this is a resort, aka kind of like a hotel, but it's not. A home away from home. And then you also get like cooking utensils and stuff, plates. I'm trying to think what's over here. Ooh, look, you can do a little baking and stuff. Coffee maker. There's a telephone, but that phone is mainly used to call the office. I'm sure you can call out. I actually haven't even been in these cabinets. I'm trying to see, oh, let me go ahead and get my wine glass. Look at all those wine glasses. It's so cute. Let me see what's over here. It's almost like a full kitchen. And then also they give you pots and pans. And it's always your basic stuff, you guys. It's not gonna be like a full kitchen, but it's enough to get some stuff cooked, okay? So this is the dining room area. And it also has, you know, little stools for the bar. This is the living room. And then TV with the TV stand. We also have a patio. Yeah. I mean, it's cool. I feel like during the day is better when the sun is out, but the sun is kind of going down. So now I'm about to take you guys upstairs. I'm definitely gonna take a picture right there. Just wait on it, okay? Oh, I almost forgot to show y'all this bathroom, the half bath. So this is what the half bath looks like. Every time I come in the bathroom, I want to be like Issa from Insecure. You got this. You got this. I almost forgot. There's a pantry right here. Oh, that reminds me. I got these pork rinds. I'm excited to try these out. They look good. And they buy Slim Jim. Never heard of them. Ooh, squealing hot. Ooh, got my attention. I'm about to take y'all upstairs. So these be the stairs that be killing me. It's a workout. So I don't know what that's supposed to be, but I like it. It goes with the theme in here. So here's the laundry room. Oh, I haven't had time. Opening this up. So you get full washer and dryer clothes vets. And any of y'all know I love to do my laundry, so it's lit. I love packing my suitcase with clean clothes, and then when I get home, all I gotta do is unpack and hang them up. I'm gonna take y'all to the master bedroom first. To the right is just a walk-in closet, basic walk-in closet. To the left is the master bathroom. Just your basic toilet over here. And then just a, you know, basic little shower. Hey, how you doing? What's good? How you doing? I'm just kidding. Let me act regular, okay? This is the master bathroom. And you know, it's really cute. What I love about Timeshare, they still treat it like a hotel. So that you still get like soap and stuff. I don't know why, I just think it's kind of funny. So this is the master bedroom. So you get a dresser to put your clothes in. And then I like how they put like little hints of greenery throughout the place. And then you also get a little mirror right here. How you doing? This is where it goes down. It's like nothing go down in here. Absolutely nothing. And they put up little artwork, you know, to make it feel homey. It really makes you feel like you are at a home away from home, if that makes sense. So down the hall, this is the second bedroom, and they made this for 2 people. It also comes with a TV, and then this closet in here is pretty basic. It's pretty basic. Oh, snap. But this would be cool though, like this summer, I'm trying to kick it with my friends, okay? So that's part of the reason why I'm recording this, because me and my friends could get a duplex like this for cheap, y'all. When it comes to timeshare, the stuff is so affordable. It'd be lit. So down the hall, so I just came from that way. That's the second bedroom. Down the hall, we run into the second bathroom. So you get a shower. As y'all can see, I done settled in just fine. And it's a nice little bathroom. So across from the bathroom is my bedroom. You can see I was recording over there. And this is what my bed looks like. And then also my closet's right here. It's the same thing, you guys. I bought so many dresses for no reason. Don't judge me, okay? This is for Thanksgiving. This is just for Thanksgiving. This ain't even what I brought to wear for the next 7 days. It's just for Thanksgiving. I needed options, okay? So you get a dresser, TV. Of course, here I am again. How you doing? How y'all doing? But yeah, that's what it looks like in here. So this pretty much completes the tour. Hope you guys liked the video. If you didn't, well, that sucks.
So this completes the tour, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload. You know, I'm really trying to find that medium between sharing but not oversharing, but sharing because some of you guys have been here since like day one, and I know y'all want to continue to see me grow, you know, and I also want you guys to see what supporting me in where that has gotten me, because I don't take that type of stuff for granted. I just wanted to say thank you, and I'm here to spend Thanksgiving with my family. I haven't had a Thanksgiving off in years, literally, and the fact that I'm able to do this and be self-employed, like, it's a blessing. And I have health insurance. It's a blessing. Like, I just feel really grateful. Thanksgiving is this week, and I just feel so grateful to be able to be here and spend time with my family. It's a really good feeling. Like, I don't take this type of stuff for granted. And like I said, if you haven't, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload, and also subscribe if you're new. My name's Yanni. Welcome to Real Talk with Yanni, and I'll catch you in my next one.